Good morning, children. In the last lecture, we had studied about the meristematic tissue, in which we had studied that meristematic tissue are those tissues which have the ability to divide. Now, in this lecture, we are going to study about the next part of the chapter tissue, in the plant tissue only, that is the permanent tissue. Permanent tissue means the word itself, just being understood by the word itself, it is permanent. It does not have the ability, the cells, the group of cells from the tissue. So, those group of cells which has lost their ability to get divided, they are called as the permanent tissue. They maybe have nucleus or they are, and the nucleus are absent in such cells. The permanent tissue is also of two types. The first one is called simple permanent tissue and the second one is called as complex permanent tissue. Simple permanent tissue means the simple permanent tissue will serve the particular simple function, whereas some particular group of cells form the particular simple permanent tissue. And when this simple permanent tissue, which the simple permanent tissue combine to form the further permanent tissue that are called as the complex permanent tissue. Now, referring to the simple permanent tissue, there are three types of simple permanent tissue. First one is the protective permanent tissue, second is the supportive permanent tissue, and the third one is the conductive permanent tissue. Now, the conductive itself term come under the complex permanent tissue, and these two particular terms, protective and supportive, come under the simple permanent tissue. So, protective permanent tissue means the its cell walls are little bit thick. It is generally present at the surface of the root and generally present at the surface of the stems, leaves, and all that. The best example of protective function is the epidermis, because epidermis is the outer layer of any plant which protect the particular plant by any type of things which are coming in its contact. So the epidermis is the outermost layer that is the protective and serve as the protective function. Cord cell also present in the stem and all the things protect the plant from any particular injury, that is called as the protective function, and its cell walls are thick, and due to this only it serves as a protective function. Now, secondly, coming to the supportive function. Supportive means which provide a framework. That means the group of cells which provide a particular framework to the plant, that is called as the supportive permanent tissue. These supportive permanent tissue are further of three types: parenchyma, collenchyma, and sclerenchyma. Parenchyma and collenchyma are the living part, little bit light. They have little bit light in them, and the sclerenchyma is totally dead part. It is totally hard. Parenchyma have the thin cell wall. They may be oval or circular. See, here the diagram is being made of the parenchyma. They may be oval or circular in structure. The cell arranged in this parenchymatous cells may be oval or circular. They have single large vacuole. They have the single large vacuole, and we all know that the work of vacuole is store the food material. So they have the single large vacuole and soft part of the plant. They are present. The parenchyma are present at the soft part of the plant. That means the central pith or the central core area. There the parenchymatous cells are present. Due to the presence of vacuole, it will store the food. The best example of the storage of food is in the potato. Potato is also having the storage food material due to this only parenchymatous cells, and they perform the temporary support to the particular plant. So we have came to know about the parenchymatous tissue. Now coming to the collenchyma. Collenchyma, the word colon means glue, and the collenchymatous cells are elongated. You can see that they are elongated. Cell wall are thick. See, double layer cell wall, that means they are thick. And at the corners, thickened at the corners, because the cell wall at the corners are thick. Below epidermis, this collenchymatous cells are green in color and they help in the photosynthesis. That's why they are termed as the collenchyma, and they are present below the epidermis of the stem and root. Just below the epidermis region is called as the parenchymatous, and below the epidermis the region is called as the collenchymatous. So the parenchymatous cell wall is thin and its cell wall is little thick, but the side one, and it is elongated and it is oval or the circular or polygonal. Now coming to the last part of the simple permanent tissue means the supportive permanent tissue, sclerenchyma. Sclerenchyma is totally dead. The scleren means the hard material. This like of elongated cells are there. Long narrow cell which are dead. Long and narrow cell which are totally dead is present in the sclerenchymatous tissue. They form thick cell. Why they form thick cell? Due to the deposition of lignin. Lignin is a type of compound which is present and which deposited everything and provided the thickness. So due to the deposition of lignin, the cell wall is little bit thick in comparison to collenchyma and parenchyma. They provide the strength and mechanical support to the plant. The jute, mat, ropes which is being used commercially used in our houses, they are only made from the sclerenchyma cells. The coconut shell is also sclerenchyma in nature. Okay. Now coming to the conductive. Conductive means the complex tissue. The complex tissue are of two types, xylem and phloem. What is the function of xylem? Xylem will help in the upward movement of the water and dissolved material from root to the another part. Xylem main function is to the upward conduction. The water and minerals which had been given to the roots of the plant is being conducted upward. The upward movement of water and minerals is carried out by the xylem. And now, after the xylem, after we have studied about the xylem, we will study about the phloem. Phloem means, what we mean by the phloem? Phloem means downward movement. Downward movement. The part of the root conduct the water and minerals to the upper part of the plant, and when they reach up to the upper part of the plant, and then the food made in the leaves, from the leaves to the other branches and all the part of the plant will be conducted by the phloem. So we had known that the xylem helps in the upward movement and phloem helps in the downward movement to the different branches from the leaves. Now, xylem is also of 4 types and phloem is also of 4 types. Xylem, the first one is the tracheids, the second one is the xylem vessels, the third one is xylem parenchyma, and the fourth one is xylem fibers. Now, coming to the tracheids. What are the tracheids? Xylem is also of 4 types, tracheids, vessels, xylem parenchyma, and xylem vessels. Now, tracheids are the elongated dead cell with a large cavity without any content. Tracheids are the elongated means very elongated, means they are long, slender like, and just elongated cell which are having a cavity but they haven't any content. So the tracheids are there. The cell end to end, like the cell end to end form the long tube-like, elliptical, elongated long tube-like structure is being formed in the tracheids. They are highly liquefied cells. The tracheids are also highly liquefied cells and they also provide the mechanical support to the plant. Now coming to the vessels. Vessels are also elongated. Elongated cells mean for transportation of water. Vessels are, we all know that the vessel terms is there. The vessel are conducting, joining. So the vessels are elongated cells which main function is to conduct the water and minerals from to the different part of the plant, means the upward movement. The vessels help in the upward movement of the water and mineral and help in the conduction of the mineral to the different part of the plant. It also acts as a water pipe. When water reaches up to the thing, this is also the elongated, means this is also elongated, but help in the upper movement of water, this vessels. And xylem parenchyma. Xylem parenchyma is a living layer, a type of living layer. It is help in the store of sugar and starch. It helps in the storage of the food material in the plant. Xylem parenchyma stores the food material. And xylem fiber are dead and narrow cell tapering, and narrow cell means very narrow, like a narrow band, and tapering end means the taper end. The end is very taper, means the end is just like the knob-like end. So the end will be tapered, mechanical support. They provide the mechanical support. So what we have studied in the xylem tracheids are elongated dead cell which have large cavity. Xylem tracheids have large cavity but the contents is zero. No any contents is being found in the xylem tracheids, and they provide mechanical support to the plant. And vessels are also elongated but they help in the conduction of water to the upper part of the plant. Xylem parenchyma is little bit living layer and it provides the storage material. The sugar and the starch is being stored in the xylem parenchyma, and the fiber is the dead layer. It is narrow and have the tapering end, and it helps it to provide the mechanical support to the plant. So this is the xylem part. And the xylem, the annual ring is present in the plant. The type of ring, how old the plant is, we count the annual ring. There is a ring present in the bark of the tree. When we count that particular ring, then the line is if we cut the tree, then there is the bark of it. Then here is the ring present in the bark of it. This ring is called as the annual ring or xylem ring. And when we count this particular ring, then the age of plant is being determined by this particular ring. So this we had studied about the xylem. Now coming to the phloem means downward, which the mineral had been reached up to the leaves, they reach to the different part of the plant. So phloem is also of four types: sieve tube, companion cells, phloem parenchyma, and phloem fiber. Now coming to the sieve tube. Sieve tube means that just like the sieve. Sieve means the sieve which we use to filter the tea in our home. The best example of sieve. We use the paneer, the muslin cloth is also example of sieve. So here the sieve are elongated cells, just like the elongated cell. End-to-end form long tube. This type of cell end-to-end form long tube, and they have perforated, means there are hole in that cells which help in the transfer from leaf to the other part of the plant. They are perforated, means just like the elongated cells joined one by one, and they are perforated, means there are sieve plates and sieve pits. Sieve pits means little bit, there is a little bit knob-like structure, and there is the filter through which the filter of particular food material is being carried out from the leaf to a different part of the plant. So sieve tubes are elongated cell and help in the transfer of food from leaf to the different part of the plant, and they are perforated, means holes are there in these cells, elongated cells. So these are the sieve tube. And companion cells, the next part of the phloem parenchyma, that is the companion cells. Companion cells are nothing, they are just beside the sieve cells. They were sieve tubes, they perform, they are parenchymatous cells with thin cell wall. They help the sieve tube to perform its function. They enhance the function of sieve tube. So this is the work of companion cell. They help to combine, they help the companion, they help it to perform its ability and its function much more properly. Phloem parenchyma, this is also that like the here xylem parenchyma store the food. It is also storing the food, but it stores starch, fat, and organic material. Here the xylem was storing starch and sugar, but it stores the starch, fat, and the organic material, because it is also transporting the food material from the leaf to the different part of the plant. That is why it is called as the phloem parenchyma. And phloem fibers, they are still provide the mechanical support to the plant, and they are sclerenchymatous in nature. So what we had studied in this chapter, in particular permanent tissue topic, that the cell which had lost their ability to divide, they are called as the permanent tissue. They are of two types: simple permanent tissue. In the simple heading, we had known about the protective and supportive permanent tissue, and in the complex tissue, we had known about the conductive tissue. Conductive tissue means the transportation, upward transportation or downward transportation, that is xylem and phloem. Xylem are of four types: tracheids, vessels, parenchyma, and fibers. Tracheids are elongated cells which are just to form the long tube-like structure and help to provide mechanical support. Vessels transport the water from lower root to the upper part of the plant. Parenchymatous xylem parenchyma store the food material, and xylem fiber are narrow cells which help to provide mechanical support to the plant. And the phloem we had studied about the sieve tube are the perforated cells which transport and filter the particular food material to different part of the plant from leaves. And the companion cell help the sieve tubes to perform their function. Phloem parenchyma help to store the food, starch, fat, and organic material. Phloem fiber provide the mechanical support to the plant, and they are sclerenchymatous in nature. And because sclerenchymatous fiber, because the different sclerenchyma are the simple tissue, simple permanent tissue, they combine to form the complex tissue. So here the sclerenchymatous nature is being associated like this. Here is the diagram of the sieve wall, sieve plate, and the phloem parenchyma, and beside this the companion cells are also present. Now coming to the protective function. Protective function is the cell wall, thick surface of the root, stem, and leaves. It is present. Thus like the epidermis and cortical. Supportive are the three type of cells we had studied. The quick revision is there: parenchyma, mesenchyma, sclerenchyma. Parenchyma are thin cell wall with storing the food material and provide temporary support to the plant. Mesenchyma are green color, elongated cell wall, thickened cell wall at the corner and present below the epidermis and of the stem, and it helps in the photosynthesis color green in color. Sclerenchyma are long, narrow, which cells are dead. It provides the thick cell wall. Why the thick cell wall is present? Due to the deposition of lignin. It is important question with the deposition of lignin. The thick cell wall is present in the sclerenchyma. They provide strength in the plant. The lobes, the mats, and all the things are just the example of the sclerenchymatous tissue. So these all are the topic of the plant tissue had been covered. In the starting we had studied about the meristematic tissue which had the ability to divide, and now we had studied about the permanent tissue. So revise this chapter, particularly solve the question regarding to these topics. If any problem is there, then consult to me. And in the later lecture we will study about the animal tissue.